Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this problem, we have two blocks connected by a rod sliding down on an inclined plane with acceleration a. The problem asks us for two things. First, what is the acceleration of the system? Second, what is the tension between the two blocks? So this problem involves applying Newton's law of motion. For question A, let us first draw the free body diagram on block 1. Assuming this is block 1, the forces acting on its body are its weight, the normal force, the friction, the tension with block 2, and the projection of the weight opposite the normal force is W1 cosine theta, and same direction as the tension is W2 sine theta. Now, for the y-plane, the summation is equals to 0 according to first law, since the body is equilibrium in this plane. This law states that the sum of the forces, if a body's equilibrium, is equal to 0. And the forces on this plane are the normal force and the weight. We know that weight is the product of mass and the acceleration due to gravity. So simply, this is normal force of block 1 is equals to mg cosine theta. Now for the y-plane, let's apply second law. Since the body or the system is accelerating, the net force is now equal to the product of the mass and the acceleration due to its movement. And the forces on this plane are the force due to weight, plus the tension of the rod and the friction. Note that the friction is negative since it's opposite the two forces. We can express this as m1g sine theta plus t minus, where we know that friction is equals to the product of the coefficient and the normal force, where we obtained earlier the value of normal force, which is just equal to m1g cosine theta. Let's denote this equation as equation 1. Now for block 2, let's draw the free body diagram. Assuming this is the block, the forces acting on its body are the weight, the normal force, the tension with the block 1, friction, and the projection of the weight pointed, pulling it downwards. On this direction, W2 sine theta. In this direction is W2 cosine theta. Same what we did earlier, we can find that normal force of block 2 is equals to m2g cosine theta. Also, you can see it on the diagram. Then, for the x-plane, then m2a is equals to m2g sine theta minus the tension force, since it's opposite the force pulling it downwards, which is the weight, minus the friction, because it's also opposite of W2 sine theta. Let's denote this as equation 2. Now, adding these two equations, we have m1a plus m2a is equals to m1g sine theta plus m2g sine theta minus mu m1g cosine theta minus mu m2g cosine theta. Simplifying, then a is equals to or simply a is equals to g sine theta minus mu g cosine theta. Now for letter B, from equation 1, then we can isolate t. Then equation becomes t is equals to mu m1g cosine theta plus m1a minus m1g sine theta. Inserting the expression we have for a, then the equation becomes simplifying, then t is equals to 0, or the tension between the rod is equals to 0.